Finally, Oneplus Open is out and we have our first look at the Oneplus Open. There are a couple of things you need to know before the launch of Oneplus Open, and I'm sure you find multiple reasons to go for Oneplus Open. Apart from cover display, I'm 100% sure you are going to love the battery size and the charging speed numbers on the Oneplus Open, which you would wish to have on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, having a first look at the cover display, it looks more like a Galaxy Z Fold 5 and not like Oppo Find N2, because Find N3 and OnePlus Open is the same model, but we're going to sell with a different name in the United States. The cover display on the OnePlus Open is slightly bigger than the Z Fold 5, with the 6.3 inches size compared to 6.1 inches on Galaxy Z Fold 5. And OnePlus Open got a 7.8 inches inner display compared to 7.6 inches on Z Fold 5. So OnePlus Open is slightly bigger in size compared to the Z Fold 4. Now, thing to notice, the peak brightness on OnePlus Open will be huge. According to some reports, it can top up to 2800 nits of peak brightness, which is the brightest display so far. But there is no under display camera on OnePlus Open. Same punch hole camera like Find N2 and slightly thicker bezels compared to the Z Fold 5. The battery size on OnePlus Open is amazing. With the new power-efficient processor, it can easily beat the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We got a 4800 mAh battery on the OnePlus Open compared to only 4400 on Z Fold 5. And this is what you like the most, a 67 watt fast charger compared to only 25 watt on Fold 5. OnePlus Open will dominate the battery numbers as we're going to see the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on OnePlus Open. So it can give us almost the same performance numbers as Z Fold 5, but it will last longer due to a bigger battery. But it also depends on optimization. Let's hope it will be better. The durability on foldable phones is what matters the most, and OnePlus Open just did the right thing. First, it completely closed shut with no gap between the hinge. Second, it will also going to see some sort of waterproof rating. For now, it is not confirmed, but it is already tested, and maybe we get IPX4 rating on OnePlus Open, and there is no dust proofing on OnePlus Open. I also want to mention Z Fold 5 as it comes with IPX8 rating, which is obviously better than the OnePlus Open. The number of folds are still hidden and no one talks about it, although other features are tested with extreme conditions, but these tests are already done on Z Fold 5, and we can hope to get at least 400,000 folds on OnePlus Open, same as last year Oppo Find N2. The price is what makes it different from previous generation of Oppo Find N2. It's quite expensive, $1699 for OnePlus Open, although it is still $100 less than the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Pixel 4, but still a huge price jump from last year. Although now you can pre-order the OnePlus Open and get some great pre-order deals. If you guys want to see the first look of upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.